Arrow mark indicates the direction of the ship movement. After the discovery of Suez Canal here, Suez Canal was constructed in 1859 to 1869. You can see all of the ships are coming to Singapore. From Singapore, they are going towards Hong Kong. You notice this? The problem with this route is cyclones. Remember, during this summer months, there will be a lot of hurricane. So, a very popular geographer, Alexander von Humboldt. Now, one more canal that is coming up is Nicaragua. Second busiest is North Pacific Sea Route. North Pacific Sea Route. North Pacific is between East Asia and North America. East Asia, remember East Asia includes China, Japan, Korea. Correct, ASEAN region. East Asian region to North America. East Asian and North America. Okay. So see that now here. This one I am talking about. China here, Russia here. You can see Korea here, Japan. You can see the number of ships moving towards North America, US coast, Canada coast here. Then from there also you can see. Arrow mark indicates the direction of the ship movement. Means if I zoom in like this, you can see each ship, like there are so many ships in the water, correct? We can see these are just like our road traffic. Okay. So many ships on the. See, this is Japan. This is Korea, South Korea. You can see North Korea, around North Korea, not much traffic. You know, North Korea. So, but South Korea, you can see. South Korea, China, you can notice. This is live as of now. Taiwan also. Hong Kong also, you notice. This is from East Asia to North America. Second busiest. Third is, please write this one. From Mediterranean Sea, all of you notice this. From Mediterranean Sea, you can see from Mediterranean Sea to India, Indian Ocean, this route via Suez Canal. Earlier, you can see we had to circumnavigate Cape Town. Most of the ship used to circumnavigate Cape Town, Africa. Here, Cape Town is here. Correct. After the discovery of Suez Canal here, Suez Canal was constructed in 1859 to 1869. Okay, by a French architect. So after that, all the ships are moving through this route. Since it is congested in Suez Canal, many ships even today go through Atlantic route. See, you can see some ship movement here also. See, lot of ships are going like this. And after crossing Cape Town, you notice the ship movement where? One towards Mozambique Channel, one towards like this. Towards Malacca. You can see all of this will come and go through this Malacca. Notice this route. All of them come through. From Sri Lanka, India also you notice. Like this. All the ships are going where? Here. That is then Great Nicobar is a game changer for us. Here. Okay. This is another route. We are now as of now Sumatra, Java ke beech mein. But problem with this route is there is a volcano there. Krakatoa volcano. It might erupt anytime. If it erupts, this region again will get disrupted. Java route. So everybody will come like this only. You can see all of the ships are coming to Singapore. From Singapore, they are going towards Hong Kong. You notice this? Like this towards Hong Kong. Okay. There is a reason Kra Canal here. Kra Canal can make a difference. Andaman Sea, you notice. Andaman Sea. As of now, all the ships are going to Malacca. See the traffic here. It is very narrow passage like this. 2 ships can cross like this at a time. Not more than that. So that also we need to take care. Because the passage is not too huge. Here, I am talking about this. Okay, Malacca route. Okay, here it is shallow on either side. Only in the deep in the center here. Okay. So third one you write. Atlantic Ocean to Indian Ocean. Sea route between Europe to South Asia, India via Suez Canal and Mediterranean Sea, via Mediterranean Sea and Mediterranean Sea and Suez Canal. Suez Canal. Suez Canal was built between 1859 to 1869 by French architect Ferdinand de Lesseps. Ferdinand de Lesseps is a French architect, was a French architect who built Suez Canal, Egypt, in Egypt. So it reduces distance between Europe and India. So third route is Atlantic Ocean to Indian Ocean. Okay, right, fourth one. North Atlantic to North Pacific Ocean. North Atlantic, North Pacific, or North Pacific to North Atlantic. Okay, this route via Panama Canal. Panama Canal. North Atlantic Ocean to Pacific Ocean side via Panama. Okay. North Atlantic to North Pacific. See both the oceans, all of you. Notice the Atlantic Ocean में New York. On Pacific Ocean side locate Los Angeles, Vancouver. Correct. On the Pacific Ocean side locate the port of Vancouver, Los Angeles. Correct. San Francisco, that side. This East Coast may locate New York, Boston. Correct. So what is happening here is you have to know this is US. East coast of USA, you can see Canada, USA, the goods come in, this is Panama, then after that they come to this side. You might say, sir, within US, why are they not going like this? Rocky Mountains. We have Rockies here. So as a result, only one railway track here, crossing through the Rockies. From Chicago, say, leke Los Angeles and toward this say, region, Sacramento region, only one railway track here, another one here. As a result, not much connectivity. So the ships from the eastern coast, they come down, they go through the Panama and then come here. So Panama Canal was built in 1914 by US here in Panama. So all the ships pass through this now. Another canal which is under construction is Nicaragua. Nicaragua is also building a canal. That is still under progress now, construction. Once that is complete, again that will become busy. So this is the Panama route. You can see all the ships passing through this route. Okay. The problem with this route is cyclones. Remember, during this summer months, there will be a lot of hurricane here. That affects the ship movement here. Okay. So please remember this. So from east coast to west coast, Atlantic to Pacific, Pacific to Atlantic via Panama Canal. Panama Canal. So please remember this route. Okay. So also you should notice most of the ships also come through like South America. Magellan Strait, remember Magellan Strait? Magellan Strait, Drake Passage. Then they come over to South America. In case if they want to come to this region. Okay. So please remember, most of the ships pass through Panama. Via Panama Canal. Right? Panama Canal was built in 1914. Okay. Connects Atlantic to Pacific. Check Panama Canal please in your atlas quickly. See here, this is Atlantic. This is Pacific Ocean, correct? Notice this. This is Magellan Strait. This is Drake's Passage. Antarctica here. Antarctica, South America, North America. Earlier, all the ships used to come like this. See this route, circumnavigating South America like this. It will take a lot of time, fuel, money, correct? Like this. So, a very popular geographer, Alexander von Humboldt. Alexander von Humboldt. He gave an idea that we have to build a canal here. Where? Here. In Panama. So, by building this canal, all the ship can go through this route rather than this. So, this will cut down almost a month's time. Time, fuel, money. So, this became popular, Panama. So, US built this in 1914, Panama Canal. It uses locks to move from one side to other because the sea level is different on either side. So, Panama Canal, 1914. Okay, so please remember. Now, one more canal that is coming up is Nicaraguan Canal. So, please remember, fourth major shipping route is North Atlantic to North Pacific via Panama Canal. Okay, right, fifth one. Indian Ocean to Pacific Ocean via Malacca Strait. I'll write in the next page. Indian Ocean to Pacific Ocean means China. Pacific Ocean. This is between South Asia and East Asia. Basically, Japan, Korea, China, that region. South Asia to East Asia via Malacca. Locate Malacca Strait, all of you. Between Sumatra Island, Indonesia and Malaya Peninsula, Malaysia. Malacca Strait. Via Singapore. Correct. Via Malacca Strait and Singapore port. Because Isthmus of Krak Canal is not yet complete. As a result, everybody is using this route now. Malacca, Indian Ocean to Pacific Ocean via Malacca Strait. Other route, some ships are passing through Java Strait also. Java or Sunda Strait. Remember, between Sumatra and Java. That is also very popular. World map. If you have doubt, you turn the page this side. World map you will get. See here now. This is Java Strait here. Java Strait. This is Malacca Strait. This route, Malacca, Strait of Malacca. Correct. Like that, you have to see the atlas. World geography, I am telling you, if you remember this, easy. Otherwise, your history also will become difficult. World history will become difficult. Economics will become difficult. IR will become difficult for you. I am telling you now only. I am not telling you because I am a geography teacher. I am telling you because this is the basis of all that. Easily you can understand IR, world history and all. If you remember geography. Otherwise, we'll have to mug up. Sixth one is, last one, please write. South Atlantic route. South Atlantic route. South Atlantic Sea route. Between Africa and South America. Between South America and Africa. Why it is not that busy? Least busiest sea route. Why South America and Africa route are not busy? Here, not much compared to others. Why? They are not developed, underdeveloped. Then any other reason? Same resources. Not because they are underdeveloped. Because they have same resources. Both are Gondwana. Both are part of Gondwana. Both have abundant resource. Both are rich actually. They are not poor also. If somebody is thinking Africa and South America are poor continent, no. They are very rich. In terms of culture, in terms of resources. So what they do, industrial goods they don't have, that's it. They have a lot of raw materials, same raw materials. If here also we have same resources, here also we have same resources, why will they trade? Both the continents are self-sufficient. So they send goods like this towards Europe, towards North America, raw materials. They are suppliers of raw materials and import industrial goods. You got it? That is the reason they don't trade much between them, not much. Volume is not much between them. So South Atlantic Sea route is least busiest because both South America and Africa are rich continents and they have similar resources. That prevents trade. Okay, so we have these 6 routes.